Good evening, everybody. Out of the box breaks, doing break 2209, Contenders half case part 2. I'll quickly run through the team assignments, then we will get breaking. So Anaheim is Detroit. Weber has the Coyotes. Keefe Guy Boston. Greg B 4658 Buffalo. CBRY with Calgary, St. Muir, Carolina. Sci-Fi Guy Chicago. Flavalser, Colorado, Columbus, and Dallas. Sci-Fi Guy with Detroit, St. Muir, the Oilers. Gabe 77, the Panthers. Keefe Guy, LA. Sliner 77, the Wild. Merv 76, the Canadiens. CBRY, Nashville. Gabe 77 with the Devils. St. Muir, the Islanders. Sci-Fi Guy, the Rangers. Flavalser with Ottawa. Keefe Guy, the Philadelphia Flyers. Sci-Fi Guy, Pittsburgh. Detroit with the Sharks. CBRY, the Blues. Flavalser, the Lightning. Greg B 4658 Toronto. Sci-Fi Guy, the Canucks and Capitals, and Weber with the Jets. So good luck, everyone. Here we go with box number 1 in our half case of Contenders. So we do have Trilogy on the go, guys. That's the next closest break with 14 left. Or if you want personal boxes, put your orders through. We will break them open once we're done this break. Pack number 1. We start with a rookie for the Calgary Flames at a 600, Carter Banks. We got a Cup Contender at a $4.99 for Colorado, Gabriel Landeskog. For the New Jersey Devils, Selke Contender at a $4.99, Travis Zajac. Christian Thomas, rookie ticket auto for the Montreal Canadiens. Base. We got a random NHL Inc. dual auto of Victor Fast for the Ducks and Jesper Fast for the Rangers. We got a rookie at a 600 for Toronto, David Brohl. Funny, funny, funny. Nice for the Edmonton Oilers. First drafts auto, Taylor Hall. Oops. For the Buffalo Sabres, rookie ticket auto of Zemgus Girgensons. Base. Final pack, box number 1, half case of Contenders. For the Vancouver Canucks, Hart Contender, Henrik Sedin at a $4.99. All right, box number 2. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, rookie at a 600, Spencer Abbott. We got an NHL ink for the Ducks of Jakob Silfverberg. Norris contender, Alex Pietrangelo for the Blues. Claude Giroux, Hart contender for Philly. We got a random between LA, San Jose, and the Ducks. 6-way auto to Foley, Pearson, Irwin. Anderson, Hampus, Lindholm, Nick Petrecki. Add that to our random pile. Mario Lemieux, contender legacy for Pittsburgh. Definitely our booklet. Contenders matchups booklet. This will be random. It's out of 175 between Buffalo and Toronto. And no random needed. Greg B 4658 has both of them. Miller and Enroth, Bernier and Reimer. We are Greg B 4658. Jason Magna, rookie at a 600 for Pittsburgh. Final pack, box number 2, break 2209. Christopher Nielstorp, rookie ticket auto for the Dallas Stars. Box number 3. Well, we got a nice 6-way auto here. Big 6-way random for the Montreal Canadiens, Yvan Cournoyer. Chicago, Stan Mikita. Daryl Sittler with Toronto. On the back side, we got Ray Bourque with the Boston Bruins. Steve Yzerman, Detroit. Mark Messier with the Rangers. Big 6-way auto. Rookie Andre Suster for Tampa at a 600. For the Anaheim Ducks, rookie ticket auto, John Gibson. Vezina contender Kari Lehtinen for the Dallas Stars. Yeah, it's a great hit, Sliner. Oh, Contenders has some nice multi-auto cards. Stu Barnes, classic signature for the Buffalo Sabres. I was waiting for that from you, Dallas. For the Vancouver Canucks at a $4.99, Daniel Sedin, Cup contender. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, rookie ticket auto, Jeff Zetkoff. Drew Stafford, gold base parallel out of 100 for the Buffalo Sabres. David Clarkson, Selke contender for Toronto. All right, on to our next box. For the San Jose Sharks, autobiography at a 99 of Antti Niemi. Speaking of Niemi, Dallas? Hart contender, Sidney Crosby for Pittsburgh. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, rookie ticket auto, Richard Pennick. Manual biography. At 100, rookie gold parallel for the Jets, Ben Sherritt. I think he's going to be in Calgary. Florida Tampa, four-way auto random. Barkov, Ryu, Pennick, and Palat. Another one to add to our random pile. Another Jeff Zatkoff, rookie ticket auto for Pittsburgh. For the Edmonton Oilers, rookie at a 600, Luke Gazdic. Norris contender for the Jets, Dustin Byfuglien. Michael Caruso, rookie ticket auto for the Florida Panthers. Final pack. Box number 4, Contenders Part 2. Selke contender, Ryan Kessler for the Vancouver Canucks. Alright, it's going to move a stack of base here, guys. Give me 1 sec before we do the last 3 boxes. Alright, moving on. Break 2209. Box number 5 in our half case of Contenders. Rookie out of 600 for the Washington Capitals, Connor Carrick. For the Boston Bruins, NHL Inc. of Riley Smith. Josh Levo, rookie ticket auto for Toronto. For the San Jose Sharks, classic signature Owen Nolan. Antoine Roussel, rookie ticket auto for the Dallas Stars. Vezina contender, Pekka Rinne for Nashville. Austin Watson, rookie ticket auto for Nashville. Gabriel Dumont, NHL Inc. for Montreal. For the Edmonton Oilers, contender legacy, Yari Curry out of 499 for the Oilers. Calvin Pickard, rookie ticket auto for the Avalanche. Classic signature for the New York Rangers, Anders Hedberg. Final pack, box number 5 is a rookie for the Devils of Damian Bruner out of 600. Alright, box number 6, break 2209. For the Buffalo Sabres, 4-way auto of my buddy Corey Conacher, Chad Rudell, Nikita Zadorov, and Jamie Tardif. I don't know. Kevin Connaughton, rookie ticket auto for the Dallas Stars. Was Zadorov the one that was dealt to the Avalanche? Rookie gold out of 100, Freddie Hamilton for the Sharks. And Conacher plays for nobody. Hart contender Brad Richards for the Rangers. We got a classic signature for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Bobby Baun. Norris contender, Mark Stahl for the Rangers. Quentin Howden, rookie ticket auto for Florida. Out of 600, rookie of Chris Terry for Carolina. Contender Legacy, Trevor Linden at a $4.99 for Vancouver. Redemption. Ooh, very nice. There you go, Cy. Rookie ticket recall. Sidney Crosby. Big hit for Pittsburgh. Congrats, Cy. You're hitting well tonight. All right, final box, guys. Break 2209. What are those ones numbered out of? We got another random between Pittsburgh and Philly. Bennett and Zatkov, Lawton and Conan. Oh, out of 5? Wow. Kari Lettinen Vezina contender for Dallas. Here's a nice one for the Boston Bruins. Rookie ticket auto, Dougie Hamilton. For the Calgary Flames, contender legacy, Joe Nundig. Out of 10. Chris Letang, Norris contender for Pittsburgh. For the Washington Capitals, rookie at a 600, Connor Carrick. Down the last 2 packs, another redemption. Wow. For the St. Louis Blues, rookie ticket signature, Vladimir Tarasenko. And final pack, guys, break 2209. Appears to be a patch. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, very nice patch. Rookie ticket patch auto out of 100 of Bo Bennett. There you have it, guys. That wraps it up for break 2209. I've got a few randoms to set up. So I will set those up for you guys. Have a good one, Flo. You're not in any of the randoms? Oh, shoot. All right, here we go with our randoms for break 2209. So we start with Bennett, Zatkov, Lawton, Conan, 4-way auto, Pittsburgh, Philly. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll go to Philly. Florida, Tampa. Barkov, Ryu, Panik, and Palat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tampa Bay. LA, San Jose, Anaheim. Toffoli, Pearson, Irwin. Anderson, Lindholm, Petrecki. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. LA picks that one up. Anaheim and the Rangers. NHL Ink out of 50 of Victor Fast and Jesper Fast. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goes to the Rangers. And the final one's the big boy. Montreal, Chicago, Toronto, Cornway, Makita, Sittler. And on the back side, we got Bork, Yzerman, Messier. 4 times, guys. 1, 2, 3. And walking away with this awesome 6-way auto will be owner of the Detroit Red Wings. So congrats to the owner of Detroit. And that officially wraps it up, guys, for break 2209. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again.